All right. Okay. Welcome back, students. I will share the exam again. Okay, Lina, please proceed until here. Okay, it was Sophia's birthday. Hello? Sorry, Lisa, I can't hear you, dear.
It's
Okay.
it was Shelby's birthday last week. Her grandfather gave her tickets for a pop concert. The concert was in a stadium. Shelby went with her mother. Mom brought them to the stadium in her car. While they were driving there, they saw a man in the road. He waved at them. Mom stopped her car. Do you need any help? She asked. Yes, please, shall the man. I have got a problem with my car engine. Can you give me a lift to the stand? I'm late forward. Of course, Shaman.
Can, 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 can. Please read aloud here until here, okay?
What?
Read aloud during the journey.
During the journey, Mom tuned up the radio and she, the man, catches some spotted them. She was listening music and teaching about them. She was very excited about seeing him on the skate. When I reached stadium, the man said, "Come with me, Sportia. It's a surprise for you." Sportia and Stopia take her to the bank member a few minutes. And Mom
Are you okay, Ken?
talks took a photo of them. When it was time for chorus to start, Warren told Tosia and Mom to seize a best seat at the prom. After the chorus
Concert?
yesterday was an amazing day.
Yes, all right. Sophia got tickets to see a pop concert for her birthday. The tickets were a present from Sophia's grandfather. Now try to answer this, students. 1, 2, okay, 7. 1 to 7, you may start now. Okay, done. Let's proceed to 7, 5 to 7. Okay. Are you done, students? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, this one. Please answer now.
Teacher is running a top time.
Okay, students. Are you done? Not yet. Okay,
Teacher
this
is
is all right. Okay,
running.
sorry, dear students. Okay, write this your answer. This is task number 5. So I will send it to Zalo. That's all for tonight. See you next class. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
Tom, Lisa, Ken. See you
Dạ,
tomorrow.
goodbye teacher.
Bye. Love you, students. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye, Tom. Bye-bye.